Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So, in this video tutorial, learn how to troubleshoot and fix the issue of Ethernet not working on your HP docking station. So, follow a step-by-step instruction to resolve the connectivity problem. Ensure seamless network access for your device. Now, let's start. So, here are the solution. First is update Thunderbolt software. So, first download the latest Thunderbolt software from the HP website. We are going to HP website then. So you have to scroll down and now there are the option is download drivers and click on this. So here are the your you have to type your serial number or product number you have to use it's beside on the your device. Then after typing this you have to update your software in this section software and driver. Then install the software on your HP laptop. So connect the docking station and go to the Thunderbolt software control center and select the docking station to connect without asking every time. Now let's move to solution 2. So yeah, the solution 2, we have to adjust BIOS setting. First, we have to restart your HP laptop and press the designated key of an F2 or delete button to access BIOS setting during startup. And navigate to port option in the BIOS setting. If available, choose Thunderbolt without security or a similar option. So save changes and exit BIOS. So restart your laptop and connect the docking station. Now we are going to solution third. Here are the check Ethernet drivers. So visit the HP website support page. Then for your specific docking system model, then we are going to HP support page. And for your specific docking station model and download the all dock ethernet driver for your docking station. So like you have to click on this driver software, then you are using a HP tech docking station, so you have to click on these others and then there you have to type your docking station serial number. After this you have to download your software and driver in your docking station. So run the installer from the ethernet driver and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation. So now let's move to solution 4. In solution 4, we have to disconnect external keyboard. So disconnect any external keyboard connecting to your laptop and plug into docking station to your laptop Thunderbolt port and then check if the Ethernet connection is now recognized or not without any external keyboard interference. So these are the simple solutions you have to take it when you see your HP docking station Ethernet not working. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you like it and we will catch you in our next video.